Oh, hey, welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? So on Sunday, this past Sunday, Nate posted a vase covered with piggies. I kind of liked it. It was cool. So I thought, in my astounding brilliance, hey, let me do that. And I wasn't even going to have a video for today, so you can either count your lucky stars or figure you've been cursed. One or the other. So let's just get down here on this vase and see what's going on. This is not the vase that Mina sent me my beautiful flowers in for my play, but it's one just like it because I think all florists buy these things by the thousand. So let's just get down here on the vase and see what's going to happen. So we're going to worry about colors later because right now I have decided to cover this thing in glass bead gel. What the heck? So I'm just going to scoop it out with my fingers. I did clean this vase with alcohol, and so now we're just gonna put some texture on it. Okay, we are covered, and now we wait. Okay, here we are, we're back. Our glass bead gel is dry. As you can see, it's in different thicknesses here and there. That's fine. So we have TLP Sangria, TLP Lakeside, TLP Sapphire, TLP Asparagus, TLP Constellation. And we are just going to apply them and see what happens.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't my, oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Oh, we could be birds discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you. I promise you. Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me
hippiest vase to ever hippie. Okay, all right, I think I'm done touching it, really. Okay, where's my hand? Here are the wet results of my crazy vase idea. We've got all kinds of texture happening here, and some of this texture is my fault because I got impatient and didn't let my glass bead gel cure. It was dry, but that's okay. I think it might just give it more character. Who knows? Guess we'll see. And here we are with our sparklies and our weird wrinkles because Kelly was impatient, didn't let the glass bead gel cure. Whatever. I think it might add character, you know? Give us some extra wrinkles and bubbles and stuff. But yeah, I would say we're definitely gonna have some bling. So I just wanted to share the sparkles with you. And I will see you when it's dry. Here are the dried results of my Piggies striped vase. I wanted to do this outside, but it is raining outside. I really like the texture that the glass bead gel left. I like my colors. I hope that when I put resin on it, it will pop, and I think it will. There's a lot of bling in there. I like the stripes. I just like it. This is my little hippie vase. So if you like it, make sure and hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, because I do enjoy talking to y'all. And share with your friends. It's free. Helps my channel a lot. And I'll just be over here waiting for stuff to happen. I'll see y'all next time.